What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps that involve money, investing, and personal finance here, and we're going to be covering the Sofi app and how you can add money to your account using a debit card. You want to start off by opening the Sofi app up, and then click on where it says Banking at the bottom of the screen. From here, click on the Transfer button, and select Instant Transfer. You'll then be asked to enter the debit card information that you would like to transfer money from. So go ahead and enter that information. Then click on the Next button. Once you've arrived at this screen, you just need to enter the amount that you would like transferred into your account. For this example, I'm going to select $50. Then click on the Review button. Slide to confirm. And we see the transfer has been complete and the money has been moved into my account. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't signed up for the Sofi app and you have an interest in doing so, check out this video that goes over the sign up process, and you can use the link in the description or the pinned comment to sign up. I will catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. Like the video and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch y'all later.